The internet is full of gardening hacks promising bigger harvests, faster growth, and healthier plants. But do they actually work? Today I tested 10 viral gardening hacks to separate the genius from the garbage. Some completely shocked me. First up, citrus peel seed starters. The idea is simple. Instead of using plastic seed trays, you use leftover orange or lemon peels as biodegradable mini pots. I filled each peel with soil, added a few seeds, and kept them moist for several days. And honestly, this one works surprisingly well. The peels hold moisture nicely, they break down naturally, and they look pretty cool too. Just make sure to tear the sides slightly before planting them into the ground so the roots can escape easily. This hack gets a solid thumbs up. Next was the famous banana peel fertilizer hack. People online claim banana peels can supercharge plant growth because they contain potassium and nutrients. So I chopped up banana peels and buried them around my tomato plants. After a while, the plants definitely looked healthy. But this isn't magic fertilizer like some people claim. Banana peels decompose slowly, so the nutrients take time to release. Still, as a natural soil booster, it works pretty well. Just don't expect overnight results. Hack number 3 was crushed eggshells for calcium. This is supposed to help prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. I crushed the shells into small pieces and mixed them into the soil around the plants. Now, technically, eggshells do contain calcium, but they break down very slowly. So while this can help long-term soil health, it's not an instant fix for nutrient problems. This next hack honestly surprised me. The idea is to fill a plastic bottle with water, poke tiny holes in the cap, and place it upside down near your plants. The bottle slowly releases water into the soil over time. I tested this during a hot week, and it actually worked really well. The soil stayed consistently moist, and it's perfect if you forget to water sometimes. For container gardens or raised beds, this is honestly one of the best cheap gardening hacks I've tested. Now for coffee grounds. The internet treats coffee grounds like some kind of miracle gardening ingredient. So I mixed small amounts into the soil around leafy vegetables and herbs. And here's the truth. Coffee grounds can help, but too much is a bad thing. Small amounts improve organic matter and can help soil texture, but dumping piles into your garden can actually harm plants. So yes, this works. Just use it in moderation. Apparently, sprinkling baking soda around tomato plants makes the tomatoes sweeter. Sounds strange, right? The theory is that baking soda lowers soil acidity slightly, which may affect flavor. I tested it on several plants, and honestly, the results were mixed. Some tomatoes tasted a little less acidic, but the difference wasn't huge. This hack isn't total nonsense, but it's definitely overhyped online. This hack might be one of the most useful so far. People use cinnamon powder to help prevent fungal diseases in seedlings, especially damping off disease. So I lightly sprinkled cinnamon over seed trays after planting, and surprisingly, it worked really well. The seedlings stayed healthy, and I noticed fewer mold problems compared to untreated trays. Plus, your garden smells amazing. Definitely one of the better viral gardening hacks. Next up, Epsom salt. According to the internet, Epsom salt can boost plant growth, improve color, and increase yields. I dissolved some into water and used it on a few test plants. Now here's the important part. Epsom salt only really helps if your soil is low in magnesium. If your soil already has enough magnesium, adding more won't magically improve your plants. So this hack can work, but only in the right conditions. This might be one of my favorite hacks in the entire video. Instead of planting potatoes in the ground, I grew them in large grow bags. As the plants grew taller, I kept adding soil to encourage more potatoes to form. And honestly, the harvest was fantastic. This method saves space, improves drainage, and makes harvesting incredibly easy. If you have a small yard or limited space, definitely try this one. For the final hack today, I tested regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps. I placed leftover green onion roots and lettuce bottoms into shallow water near a sunny window. And within days, they started growing again. Now, you won't grow endless vegetables forever like some videos claim, but for herbs, onions, and lettuce, this works surprisingly well. It's cheap, fun, and perfect for beginner gardeners. Definitely worth trying at home. Some gardening hacks are genius, and some should stay on the internet forever. Which one surprised you the most? Subscribe to Dan's Gardening Tips for more gardening experiments, hacks, and growing tips every week. And trust me, it will be worth it. The next 10 gardening hacks get even crazier.